How to find a lost or stolen Android phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome on your laptop and search Find My Phone. It will open this page. Here, click on Lock your lost or stolen Android device without signing in. After you click on Lock your lost or stolen Android device, it will lead you to this page. Here, make sure you have the same Google account on your device. And on the left side, if you click on Play Sound wherever your phone is, it will start ringing. If it's lost near you, it will play sound. And if you click on Mark as Lost, it will mark as lost and lock everything. And below Mark as Lost, you'll find Factory Reset Device. If you click on it, everything will be deleted on the device. Make sure you click Factory Reset only if you have no hope for finding your phone. And this is how to find a stolen or lost Android phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.